Hi, I'm Shane from Safety Dave, and today we'll be doing a quick demonstration on how to pair and install Safety Dave's new wireless rear vision system on your vehicle. To start off, I'll answer some frequently asked questions. But if you've already got the product in your hands and you're thinking, come on mate, just show me how to set it up, you can skip ahead to this time code and jump straight into the setup. No offense taken, I'd probably do the same. So first off, can you use any existing Safety Dave wired camera or screens with this new wireless system? Does our wireless system record footage? Yes. The monitor has a micro SD card slot so you can record and review your footage whenever you need. Now, what's the maximum range for this wireless system? Believe it or not, this little ripper has a range of up to 50 meters, which suits most towing and reversing setups. So let's set it up. You can mount your display using the suction mount on your windscreen or our optional adhesive dash mount. First, power up both your monitor and your camera. The monitor can be powered through a USB, a cigarette lighter, or using a hardwired option. Power on. Use the downward arrow button to choose the channel you want to pair to. We are on channel 1, then press the menu button to bring up the settings. Use the left-right arrows to navigate and look for the pairing icon. It's the first one on the menu. To begin pairing, press the downward arrow. You'll see the words pairing start and a 30-second countdown. If your camera is powered and within 5 meters, it should pair automatically. If it doesn't, you'll need to depress the recessed button on the back of the camera. We recommend using a pen or a fine screwdriver. Hold it in until you see the live image pop up on your screen, and that's it, your system is now paired. To pair additional cameras, just repeat the same process for the next channels. And of course, if you're having any trouble at all, give us a call on this number or even send us a text. Our team is always here to help. Want to explore more Safety Dave products? Browse our website for detailed specs, compatible accessories and more how-to videos. And give us a follow on socials to keep up with new gear and all things Safety Dave. Stay safe out there.